Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Dogecoin itself. If you enjoyed these Dogecoin updates, do smash that like button. But now let's get right into it. So, if we're looking at the market, majority of the coins right now are once again seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but you're seeing some coins up still quite a bit. HNT, Bonk, Dogecoin, up 11% over the past 24 hours right now. One of the top gainers. So what's really happening? We're going to talk about the price. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price of Dogecoin right now is currently sitting at 12.65 cents, up 10.2% as mentioned in USD and about 8.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 18.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at a staggering $2.3 billion. So first and foremost, let's take a look at what is happening with the broader meme coin market. The entire meme coin market is currently worth about $60 billion, which is absolutely a crazy number. And, the way things are going, it's looking like, we could actually see, the overall market valuation actually hitting an all-time high for the category of meme coins in general. So what's really causing Dogecoin to move up? It's up 16.6%, which is the biggest, meme coin. And reason as to why a $60 billion market cap in terms of the whole meme coin market combined even exist is due to Dogecoin existence. If there was no Dogecoin, I don't think there would have been meme coins to begin with. And meme coins have taken the crypto markets by complete storm. And like I said, at the end of the day, it comes down to Dogecoin. If there was no Dogecoin, there is no other memes in my personal opinion. So if you're looking at Dogecoin, it's making some massive strides right now. Could be the reason? We need to remember Elon Musk, obviously the original bull run when Dogecoin went to the likes of 60 plus cents, which again, no one ever expected. But, the reason as to why Dogecoin even got to that point in, the first place was due to the fact that Elon Musk was talking about it. But there's also recent hints at that Tesla event, those commercials coming out, there's recent events that, Tesla potentially could start accepting Dogecoin once again. And again, obviously, this is all speculation. At the end of the day, we've been speculating about, whether or not Twitter's going to integrate Dogecoin and, start paying out their creators in, Doge rather than, USD currency. And again, those are big speculation. But at the end of the day, I'm sure the community has been quite clear on this one specific standpoint. You don't really need to rely on Elon Musk for Dogecoin to succeed, because once you start relying on that, then that's where the fun ends, because everyone starts waiting for, okay, yeah guys, now it's going to be coming down to Elon Musk's tweet, we're going to wait for that, this and that, and by that time people are just like, no tweets coming out. So you don't really want to rely on Elon Musk, even though he had a huge impact on Dogecoin in the early stages. I think Dogecoin needs to get away from the whole Tesla shenanigan. Of course, if Tesla starts accepting, great, but you don't really want to be relying on Elon Musk. But anyhow, if you're looking at Bitcoin, dominance index 58.6%. So this thing is hitting a new yearly high, and we know about this. If you follow the channel on a regular basis, we know about this specific thing, which I've been talking about. And the way this thing is going, it's just absolutely madness right now. And shouldn't really be a surprise, because if you're looking at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is retesting $68,000 almost. It's retesting July levels. It's a massive move, and I'm sure people are starting to realize that $64,000 price point, which is a confirmation for myself why it's such an important confirmation, because pretty much after breaking out this time around, you really saw Bitcoin making its way up. And honestly, even though there is quite uncertainty right now still in terms of the broader investors standpoint, because the US elections could go either way, right? Obviously there's no confirmation as of now, which kind of still leaves a lot of money still sidelined, people just not wanting to take that risk because of high uncertainty. But despite that fact, Bitcoin has broken out, and a lot of analysts even projecting that Bitcoin could hit a new all-time high before the U.S. elections, which obviously will be a great thing to see. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this Bitcoin move right now. But with that said, let's take a look at our good old friend Dogecoin. speaking about Dogecoin has made a major move. So first and foremost, I want to tell you guys, Dogecoin made its way up to a yearly high of 22.4 cents without any Elon Musk tweet, just based off of the market momentum, which was great. And these are the types of moves you want to see happening. Obviously, the ETFs, as we know, there's so many ETF conversations taking place. You're starting to see a lot of XRP ETFs being filed. Recently, we saw LTC, Solana ones have been filed, obviously Ethereum and Bitcoin, and a lot of conversation around ETF. And I think these ETF conversations are not going to end. And even for meme coins, because, when meme coins start rallying, they gain traction, they gain social media, attention. And obviously these articles go and, it kind of gets to the masses. And, do you really think these masses are not going to be going to these institutions saying, hey, we want to get exposure into these meme coins? This is where, the door opens for the likes of the big boys, such as blue chips. And some people consider Dogecoin a blue chip meme coin. And again, we need to look at it from a point of view. It still remains to be the highest, meme coin in terms of market valuation till this day. And, it has been here for multiple different cycles. So it has pretty much, made a statement for itself that, hey, it's here to stay. And you could see, $18.5 billion market valuation being, ranked as the top. I think it has pretty much showed the significance of its importance. And, obviously speculation about, whether or not Elon Musk is going to come and implement, Dogecoin into Twitter and also ETFs. And of course, if an ETF comes, I think that could bring in a lot of money to meme coins such as Dogecoin. And again, obviously that's still nothing that is confirmed, but if that happens, I think Dogecoin could see some upside, especially if it were to be approved. And I think that would be a historic move for the entire meme coin market. But anyhow, if you're looking at the price, of course, we hit a new yearly high this year, which was at 22.3 cents. But since then, a significant drop for the broader market. If you want to put this into perspective, Dogecoin dropped 62.8% during a bull market. And yes, we have been in a bull market, believe it or not, for the entire year. Look at the way Bitcoin is performing. It's still hanging within the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We have been in a bull market, but altcoins do tend to drop much quicker. So this is why profit taking is extremely important. But anyhow, if you're looking at Dogecoin from October 5th low at 10 cents, you are seeing Doge up 30% right now. But what's really exciting that I want you guys to understand is Dogecoin is about to retest that key significant resistance once again. And we set that for ourselves just last month at 13.1 cents. And if that is able to clear out, we could be making our way up to that 14.3 cents, but pretty much where your eyes should be, where excitement, in my personal opinion, begins for Dogecoin is right at this key resistance at 16 cents. If that is able to clear out, I think, Dogecoin could be up to the races with the momentum that we're currently seeing. So obviously, we need to look at it from this perspective, but, you really want to see Dogecoin breaking out of this key resistance at 13.2 cents. If that is able to close and turn into support, I think we could be actually in for that 16 cents retest for the first time pretty much in a couple months. And that is still a 26% move. Significant move still, not a small move, but we'll take it from there. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.